These headlights look absolutely disgusting. Today, we're gonna fix that. Not only does this look bad, but man, look at this. You can barely see through the headlight. This is definitely a safety issue as well. So this is my dad's 2005 Corolla. It recently passed 300,000 kilometers. Believe it or not, this thing is an absolute beast of a car. And it has definitely seen better days. And the headlights have been oxidizing for quite some time now. Everything still works, the heating, the air conditioning, it starts and goes. Even on the coldest winter days, this thing will start and take you wherever you need to go. So I'm gonna give this car some much needed love and take care of these oxidized headlights. So this is the kit I'll be using, nothing fancy. I picked it up from my local Walmart. Now I've never used this one before, but you know, we'll try it out today. And I guess you guys will get a review of this as well. So in the box we've got some kind of a spray here. Not sure what this is for. We have a polishing compound, looks like, a couple of different types of wipes, and also some sandpaper, looks like. And they also gave us, which looks like pretty pretty big glove here. And of course, like any product, you've got a set of instructions here, which I'll be following for the most part. One thing that didn't come with the kit is masking tape. I'll be using this to just mask around the headlight so I don't scratch the paint. Oh yeah, it's about to get real. Seems like every time I do these videos, it gets dark out. I don't know. I do see an improvement, not as much as I'd hoped for, but you can definitely tell that that it worked a little bit. Now, it might be because the headlights were so bad and so oxidized for so many years, or it could be that I maybe didn't follow the steps properly, or obviously having power tools, like if I had a drill with a polishing pad, that would definitely help. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Definitely a lot better, that's for sure. And for comparison, this is the other one. So yeah, I mean, you can definitely tell that it did work. It's officially the day after. I wanted to give you guys a better look in some sunlight as to what the results are. All right, here's another look at it. So like I said, definitely an improvement. Here's the other one. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to repeat the same process one more time on the same headlight, and I think it should definitely improve the clarity even further. So in terms of the kit itself, I mean, it did do the job, and if you're not into automotive detail, chances are you don't have the tools already to do this kind of work. So for the average Joe looking to restore their headlights, I think this kit definitely does something. If you guys are interested in the kit, I'll post the link down below, and definitely check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.